Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Bubble Buzz game on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to install any Android game on your PC, you will first need to use an Android emulator. So in order to install it, simply open up your web browser first and then download an emulator. Simply go to the website of the emulator such as BlueStacks.com and then click on the download button at the home page. Just open the downloaded file and click through the next buttons and this will install the Android emulator on your system. Once it is installed, you can simply open it up and then access your Android home screen. From there, simply open up the Google Play Store and log into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging in, simply type in Bubble Buzz and start the search, and then simply search for the Bubble Buzz app. Now from the search results, once you find the Bubble Buzz application, you can simply tap on the install button and then wait for the installation to complete. Once it is done and you see the play button, you can simply tap on it to open up the Bubble Buzz game. And now you can simply start playing without worrying about any sign up or sign in process. Just tap on the play button and start shooting those bubbles. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Bubble Buzz game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.